Welcome to this new video where we explore a flagship product in the field of smart home appliances, the Dreame X50 Ultra Complete. Dreame Technologies, the manufacturer behind this product, is an innovative company committed to improving quality of life through high-quality home cleaning solutions. This robot vacuum embodies the culmination of their expertise, offering advanced features that set it apart in the market. If you are interested in this product, don't forget that the link to purchase it is available in the description below. Let's start by examining the design of the Dreame X50 Ultra Complete. This model stands out for its modern and sleek aesthetic. Available in white, it easily fits into any interior with its elegant and understated lines. The compact dimensions of 35 by 35 by 8.8 centimeters allow it to navigate under furniture with ease. This robot is designed with sturdy materials, ensuring both durability and performance. The product is relatively lightweight, which is an advantage for easy installation and handling. Its design is not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional, with a PowerDock base that centralizes several cleaning and maintenance features. The attention to detail, such as the LED lights around the camera for precise navigation, demonstrates Dreame's commitment to combining form and function. As for the main features, the Dreame X50 Ultra Complete does not disappoint. With a Vormax suction power that reaches up to 20,000 Pa, it is equipped to effectively handle dust and debris, even the most stubborn ones. This power is driven by the 6th generation turbo force motor, which ensures optimal suction while minimizing noise thanks to optimized fan blades. The VersaLift navigation system, combined with an AI camera and LED guidance, allows the robot to move with remarkable precision, skillfully avoiding obstacles. A notable innovation is the ProLip system, which uses retractable feet to overcome obstacles up to 6 centimeters, a feature that is not common in the market. The dual flexible arm technology allows the side brush and mop to extend to reach corners and tight spaces, ensuring a thorough cleaning. Additionally, the PowerDock base is equipped with a bacteria elimination system through an 80 degrees Celsius hot water cleaning, and the use of UV lights, ensuring a hygienic interior. This robot can also be controlled by voice, app, or remote control, offering unmatched flexibility in its use. Now let's move on to the practical use of the Dreame X50 Ultra Complete. This robot is designed to simplify daily cleaning with its many automated features. It is capable of crossing door thresholds and other obstacles thanks to its retractable feet, which is ideal for homes with varied floor transitions. The 360-degree smart navigation allows it to avoid obstacles and efficiently map your living space. This feature is particularly useful for setting no-go zones or specific routes via the app, making cleaning more targeted and efficient. The powerful suction, combined with the HyperStream Duo detangling brush, effortlessly handles pet hair and other debris. The rotating mops clean the floors thoroughly, and the PowerDock base system automatically handles emptying, refilling, and cleaning, and drying, virtually eliminating any need for manual intervention. This robot is also programmed to increase suction on carpets, ensuring a deep clean without extra effort. Additionally, the Dreame app allows you to customize cleaning modes based on your home's needs, whether for regular maintenance or intensive cleaning. This flexibility, combined with an intuitive user interface, makes using this robot vacuum incredibly convenient and efficient. When compared to other products on the market, several distinct advantages are evident. For example, compared to the Rock S8 Max V Ultra robot, the Dreame offers superior suction power, which is crucial for effective cleaning. Challenging floors, although the Rock robot offers good performance, the Dreame surpasses it with its ability to overcome higher obstacles and its advanced cleaning technology. Similarly, compared to the Kovacs X8 Pro, the Dreame stands out with its more comprehensive PowerDock base, which provides more advanced automated cleaning and maintenance. These comparisons show that the Dreame X50 UC is designed to offer top-notch performance in a competitive market. In conclusion, the Dreame X50 UC presents itself as an exceptional choice for those looking to integrate cutting-edge cleaning technology into their home. Its combination of sleek design, advanced features, and practical use makes it a wise investment for maintaining a clean and healthy interior with minimal effort. So, if you're interested in the Dreame X50 Ultra Complete, don't forget to check the link in the description for more information. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or experiences to share. Like the video if you found it useful. And, of course, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our upcoming product presentations. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.